Welcome to Smart Dollar Mindset, where we help you achieve financial freedom through smart money habits, investing, and building multiple income streams. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to wake up every day and do something you love, and actually get paid for it? For most people, that idea sounds like a dream. But here's the truth, it's completely possible. In fact, thousands of ordinary people have already turned their passions into profitable businesses, side hustles, and even full-time careers. But how do you actually do it? How do you take something you enjoy, whether that's photography, fitness, design, cooking, or teaching, and turn it into income that supports your lifestyle and future? Today, we're breaking it all down. We'll go step by step through the process of identifying your passion, validating the market, building your first audience, monetizing your skills, and scaling that passion into a sustainable income stream. Along the way, we'll use real-life examples of people who started small, made mistakes, learned lessons, and built something powerful from what they love. So let's dive in. The first thing to understand is that turning your passion into profit doesn't start with money. It starts with clarity. You need to know what your passion truly is, not what looks good on social media, not what others expect you to love, but what genuinely energizes you. Think about the times you've lost track of hours doing something that excites you. Maybe it's writing, coding, teaching, helping people with fitness, or even organizing events. That's your clue. Your passion is often the intersection between what you love, what you're good at, and what people need. Now, loving something isn't enough. If you want to turn it into a business, you have to validate whether there's a demand for it. The key question is, are people already paying for what you love doing? For example, imagine someone who loves baking. They could start posting their creations online, sharing recipes, and offering baked goods locally. Once they see interest, comments, likes, inquiries, or even small orders, that's market validation. One of the biggest mistakes people make is assuming that passion alone guarantees success. The truth is, passion gives you motivation, but a market gives you money. You need both. Once you've found something you love and know there's a demand for it, the next step is to position yourself as someone who can deliver value. Every profitable passion starts with solving a problem. Even entertainment solves a problem. It helps people escape boredom or stress. Your goal is to figure out what problem your passion can solve for others. Let's take fitness as an example. Maybe your passion is working out on its own. That doesn't generate income. But if you turn it into helping busy parents lose weight at home without a gym, suddenly it becomes a service with a clear audience and value. The key is transformation. People don't buy your passion. They buy the transformation your passion can bring to their lives. Next, you need to build visibility, because no matter how good you are, if no one knows about you, you can't make money. Start by sharing your journey online. Use platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok to document your process. Teach what you know, show what you're doing, and provide value before asking for anything in return. This stage is about trust. You're not selling yet. You're building credibility. People buy from people they trust. Think of a small example. Someone who loves home organization starts posting short videos showing how they organize closets, pantries, and workspaces. Those videos help people, get shared, and attract followers. Before long, she starts getting messages asking, "Can you do this for me?" That's how a passion quietly transforms into profit. Once you start gaining attention, you move into monetization. There are many ways to monetize your passion, and the right one depends on what you love doing and how you want to work. Here are some of the most common and powerful ways to turn your passion into profit. Freelancing your skills. Offer your expertise as a service. Writers, designers, editors, fitness coaches, and consultants all start here selling digital products. Create ebooks, courses, or templates that help others learn from your experience. Creating physical products. Sell something tangible related to your passion, like handmade crafts, art, or gear. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products or tools you genuinely use, and earn a commission for each sale. Building a community or membership. If people trust your knowledge, they'll pay to be part of a private group or community that helps them grow faster. YouTube or content monetization. Once your audience grows, you can earn from ad revenue, sponsorships, or brand deals. The best approach is to start simple, pick one monetization method, master it, then expand over time. Let's take a real-life example, Graham Stephan. He started out as a real estate agent who loved talking about money and investing. He began sharing his knowledge on YouTube for free, not expecting anything. Slowly, his videos gained traction, and people started recognizing his authenticity. Today, his channel generates millions of dollars through ad revenue, sponsorships, and course sales, all built around his genuine passion for finance. That's the beauty of aligning passion with profit. When you enjoy what you do, you naturally attract others who want to learn, grow, or benefit from it. Now let's talk about the mindset shift you need. When turning passion into profit, you have to move from hobby mindset to business mindset. A hobby costs money, but a business makes money. That means you need to start thinking in terms of strategy, goals, and systems. Even if it's something creative like painting or music, treat it with the same professionalism you'd bring to any career. Create a simple plan. How much time will you dedicate each week? What's your financial goal for the next 6 months? What tools or skills do you need to improve? How will you measure your growth? Once you start tracking progress, you'll notice how even small efforts compound over time. There's also a psychological challenge that holds many people back: fear of failure and fear of judgment. Maybe you've told yourself, "No one will care about what I do," or "It's too late to start." But the truth is, everyone who built something meaningful started from zero. They all had doubts. The difference is, they didn't let fear stop them from starting. If you wait for the perfect moment, it'll never come. The best time to start building something from your passion is now, when your enthusiasm is fresh and your curiosity is high. You'll learn and adapt along the way. Let's talk about another powerful example, Marie Forleo. She started as a life coach when the concept wasn't even mainstream. Her passion was helping people create businesses and lives they loved. She began with a small blog, offered online training, and built an authentic community. Over time, she turned her passion into a multi-million-dollar education company, all while staying true to her mission of empowering others. The lesson here is simple. Consistency and authenticity beat perfection. Once you've started earning income, the next step is scaling. Scaling means creating systems so your business can grow beyond your personal effort. For example, if you're a photographer, you could start offering online photography courses. If you're a fitness coach, you could create group programs instead of one-on-one sessions. If you're a designer, you could build digital templates or products that sell while you sleep. This is where passion meets automation. The more you automate and delegate, the more freedom you gain. Remember, financial freedom isn't just about earning money, it's about earning time. At this stage, it's important to separate personal income from business income. Too many passion-driven entrepreneurs burn out because they mix personal expenses with business growth. Create 2 accounts, one for your business operations and one for personal savings. Set a portion aside for taxes, reinvestment, and emergency savings. Treat your business like a living system that grows with structure and discipline. Eventually, your passion starts building momentum. You begin to attract opportunities, collaborations, partnerships, sponsorships, and media attention. But this is also where many people lose focus. It's tempting to say yes to everything, but not all opportunities align with your vision. Learn to say no to distractions that pull you away from your core purpose. Your goal isn't to do everything. It's to do the right things that align with your values, your audience, and your mission. Now let's talk about the long game. Sustainability passion projects can fade if you don't nurture them. Stay curious, keep learning, and evolve with your market. Trends change, but principles stay the same. Deliver value, solve problems, and stay authentic. The key to long-term success is reinvention. Keep refining your craft, upgrading your skills, and finding new ways to serve your audience. Final thoughts. Turning your passion into profit isn't about luck. It's about vision, persistence, and alignment. You start by identifying what truly excites you. You test that passion in the real world, provide value, and build trust. You create something people need, not just something you enjoy. You monetize it with integrity, scale it with structure, and protect it with discipline. The most successful people didn't just find one lucky break. They kept showing up long after the excitement faded. They turned passion into purpose and purpose into profit. And here's the best part. When you earn money doing something you love, it doesn't feel like work. It feels like freedom. So whatever your passion is, start today. Don't wait for the perfect plan. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. Because one day, what feels like a simple passion project could become the foundation of your financial freedom. Thank you for watching Smart Dollar Mindset. If this video inspired you, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Our mission is to help you build wealth, create purpose, and achieve financial independence through smart money habits and investing. Stay focused, stay passionate, and keep building the life you deserve.